In most neighborhoods right now, you're probably able to hear the humming of these AC units outside of homes. The heat and humidity are up. Unfortunately, so are the calls for service.
We needed to get this clean.
We tagged along with a team of HVAC technicians as they were working through a list of people desperately waiting to have their AC back up and running on a steamy day.
Just as much as you need cold air coming inside your home, you need hot air to be taken out.
Companies are seeing an uptick in emergency repairs after a mild start to the summer.
It decided to come in roaring right here during the holiday weekend, and we do have everybody on staff because it's required.
The work can be dangerous. Crews are either outside as the sun is beating down or upstairs in an attic where the heat is trapped.
It's tough for these guys. They can get 150 degrees in those attics, and sometimes they have to stay up there for hours at a time.
I don't want to charge someone to do all this maintenance when they have a bigger issue on hand.
I asked how folks can avoid the annoyance of having their air knocked out. I'm being told some routine maintenance can make all the difference. It's recommended you get everything checked out once a year. This technician says, in fact, many of the issues he's finding today could be handled during the annual check/cleaning.
These units are really dirty. They are creating higher pressures than what it actually is being presented in the system.
All right, another important step is to change your air filters once a month. I get it, it's annoying, got to bring the ladder out, it's a whole to-do, but these really should be replaced once a month. That technician says don't really waste your money on the expensive ones. The cheaper ones work perfectly well. We're live in Raleigh. Elena Athens, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.